Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love cool tech, gadgets, and everything in between, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 9 coolest gadgets that are worth your attention. From mind-blowing innovations to futuristic designs, these gadgets will leave you speechless. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So let's get into it. 9. Pocket Camera SQ12. The Pocket Camera SQ12 is a compact and versatile device designed for those who need a lightweight and portable recording solution. Despite its small size, this mini camera offers impressive functionality. It features full HD 1080p video recording, ensuring sharp and detailed footage. The SQ12 is equipped with a 155-degree wide-angle lens, allowing users to capture a broader perspective in their recordings, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, sports, or even as a dashcam. One of its stand-up features is its infrared night vision capability, enabling clear recordings in low light or nighttime conditions. The SQ12 also supports microSD cards, accommodating up to 32 GB for extended recording sessions. Its built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 60 minutes of continuous recording. 8. iPhone 4S Wall Frame. The iPhone 4S wall frame is a creative and functional design concept that repurposes the iconic iPhone 4S as a wall-mounted display frame. Rather than simply discarding old devices, this concept transforms them into sleek, modern pieces of technology art. The frame is designed to hold the iPhone 4S in a stationary, upright position, allowing it to function as a digital photo frame or a display screen for various applications. The iPhone 4S, with its 3.5-inch Retina display, is well suited for showcasing high-quality images or videos. When mounted on the wall, it can display a rotating slideshow of photos, act as a calendar, or even be used as a smart home control interface, depending on the apps installed. Additionally, this setup preserves the nostalgic value of the device while giving it a new purpose. To make the most of the iPhone 4S wall frame, a custom frame is created to securely hold the phone while leaving easy access to the charging port. 7. TikTok Scrolling Ring. The TikTok Scrolling Ring is a fun, interactive concept inspired by the popular social media platform, TikTok. It is designed to enhance the experience of scrolling through content by providing a physical, tactile interface for users. This device features a circular ring, often worn on a finger or placed on a desk, that allows users to scroll through videos in a manner similar to the swiping action on a smartphone screen. The ring would typically be equipped with sensors that detect gestures or movements, allowing users to scroll up or down through TikTok videos by rotating the ring or flicking their finger. This adds a layer of physical interaction to the usually touch-based experience of scrolling, making it more immersive and engaging. It could also incorporate features like haptic feedback. 6. Low Free Flow. The Low Free Flow is a unique mechanical keyboard that combines functionality with a distinct, aesthetically pleasing design. Known for its round, tactile keys and retro-inspired layout, the Low Free Flow brings a vintage typewriter-like feel to modern typing. Its design stands out due to the spherical keycaps, which are both visually striking and ergonomic, offering a more comfortable typing experience compared to traditional flat keycaps. The Low Free Flow features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to seamlessly switch between multiple devices with ease, making it perfect for both work and leisure use. It often includes a range of customizable features, such as hotkeys and a variety of switch options, to tailor the typing experience to individual preferences. The keys are typically quiet and responsive, making it suitable for a variety of environments, from office spaces to home offices. In addition to its practicality, the Low Free Flow boasts a stylish, minimalist appearance. 5. Stinger Tactical Pen. The Stinger Tactical Pen is a versatile and durable tool designed to serve multiple purposes, combining the functionality of a pen with the utility of a self-defense weapon. Crafted from high-quality materials like aircraft-grade aluminum or titanium, it is built to withstand harsh conditions, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts, law enforcement officers, and anyone interested in personal safety. The Stinger Tactical Pen features a sleek, compact design that resembles an ordinary pen but is equipped with a pointed, reinforced tip. This tip can be used for self-defense in emergency situations, allowing the user to effectively strike or create pressure points. 4. Awak Link Pod Portable Charger. The Awak Link Pod Portable Charger is a compact and highly portable power bank designed to provide a convenient charging solution on the go. Known for its slim profile and lightweight design, the Link Pod easily fits into pockets or small bags, making it perfect for daily use, travel, or emergencies. It's a highly practical accessory for anyone who needs to keep their devices powered throughout the day. One of the standout features of the Awak Link Pod is its built-in cable that directly connects to a device, eliminating the need to carry separate charging cables. The charger is typically equipped with a USB-C or Lightning cable, depending on the model, allowing it to charge smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices efficiently. Additionally, some versions of the Link Pod offer dual ports, allowing users to charge two devices simultaneously. The device is equipped with fast charging technology. 3. Lockbook. The Lockbook is a unique, security-focused notebook designed to protect the contents of your personal notes and sketches. Combining traditional handwriting with modern security features, the Lockbook ensures privacy by incorporating a locking mechanism, either mechanical or digital, to prevent unauthorized access. This makes it an ideal choice for individuals who value privacy and wish to safeguard sensitive information. The design of the Lockbook typically includes a lock or biometric scanner such as a fingerprint reader embedded into the cover, which must be activated or unlocked. 2. X63 3-in-1 Charging Station. The X63 3-in-1 charging station is a versatile and efficient charging solution designed to power multiple devices simultaneously. This compact station typically supports charging for smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds, all in one place, making it an ideal accessory for individuals who use multiple devices on a daily basis. The station is often equipped with dedicated docks or charging pads for each device, allowing users to charge their phone via a wireless pad, their smartwatch with a built-in magnetic charging system, and their earbuds in a designated charging slot. The X63 charging station is designed to support fast charging capabilities, ensuring that all devices are powered up quickly and efficiently. One of the key features of the X63 3-in-1 charging station. 1. Cell phone stand. A cell phone stand is a simple yet highly functional accessory designed to hold a smartphone in a stable and convenient position, making it easier to view content, make video calls, or follow recipes hands-free. These stands come in a variety of designs and materials, ranging from adjustable and foldable options to fixed, ergonomic models. The most common features of a cell phone stand include adjustable angles, allowing users to set the phone in the most comfortable or optimal viewing position. This makes them ideal for video streaming, video conferencing, or even as a stand for a second screen when working from home. Some models are designed to be portable and lightweight, easily foldable for travel, while others are more substantial. And there you have it, top 9 coolest gadgets that are worth your attention. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more tech-related content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.